Hey, it's Emily from WP Fusion. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can connect WooCommerce to ActiveCampaign so you can send curated messages to your customers, upsells based on which purchases they've made on your store, and many more features with WP Fusion. So there's a lot of ways that WooCommerce can be used with ActiveCampaign using WP Fusion. We're going to talk about some of the most popular ways in this tutorial, but check out our documentation for some more interesting ways you could integrate these tools. So the number one way I see people integrate WP Fusion with WooCommerce and ActiveCampaign is when you're on the Create Product screen, there's a setting where we can, let me turn off that tutorial. Here we go. So WP Fusion is one of our product options. We can apply tags when someone purchases the product. So when someone comes to our store, purchases the product, we can apply a tag in ActiveCampaign. You can see our tags select from ActiveCampaign in the dropdown. So I can create a tag over an ActiveCampaign, resync my tags, and then have a product purchase tag. So I can remarket to people who have purchased a product in my store, or just curate what messages I'm sending to them, and potentially even start an onboarding sequence. If it's a complicated product, we could have ActiveCampaign start an automation to send people emails about the product they just purchased. A lot of uses for that one. You can also apply a tag when a product is refunded if you want to start automations to remove someone from a list or something like that, or you can apply a tag when a transaction has failed. You might want to have apply a tag when a transaction has failed, so then we can send somebody automatically a follow-up email with some alternative payment options. If someone tried to pay with Stripe or PayPal, for example, and then the payment failed, we might want to hit them up with an email from ActiveCampaign and say, hey, why don't you check out Venmo or Cash App, and maybe we could get you into the system manually. It's a way that you could retain customers who might otherwise churn out of that system. Another thing that's really cool with WP Fusion and WooCommerce is the ability to control coupons. We can do some interesting cart abandonment stuff I'll talk about in a minute too. But let's create our first coupon. When we're on the coupon creation dialog in WooCommerce, there's also WP Fusion settings. So we can say, apply tags when someone uses a coupon. If someone is a consumer who likes to use coupons on our store, we might want to add them to a list in ActiveCampaign so that we know to remarket to them when we're doing Black Friday discounts or other coupons in the future. We can also auto-apply coupons. So if somebody has a certain tag in ActiveCampaign, in my case, if you have the purchased the Soulmate course tag in ActiveCampaign, I can automatically give you a discount in my store. So it's a really interesting way to have someone maybe click a link and automatically have a coupon applied for them. Or you could email a certain segment of your list and say, hey, I've automatically applied a discount to your cart. Go ahead and click this link to purchase the product. There's some interesting marketing strategies you can take with that. You can have discount messages and discount label that go along with that auto application of a coupon. So those are how coupons are used. And then let's talk about members only products as well. So jumping back into our product screen, WP Fusion allows us to restrict posts. This tutorial keeps coming up. It allows us to restrict posts over here on the right-hand side, so the user must be logged in to view this product. I know some creators who have a membership level, so you can't actually purchase products on the website unless you've accessed a membership level, for example. So maybe you have to buy access to the website on a recurring monthly basis, and then you can get maybe a discounted rate on products. That might be a use case for something like this, where you require a certain tag in order to view the page or view the product. Or maybe you just want to require users to be logged into the website to complete a purchase so that you can capture their email, have it in your ActiveCampaign, and remarket to them. There are a lot of potential use cases for that. Another interesting integration that WP Fusion has to offer is there's the Abandoned Cart add-on and the Enhanced Ecommerce Add On. You can find those in the packages over on WP Fusion pricing, but if you happen to have the Abandoned Cart or e-commerce add-ons, it adds an extra setting to your WP Fusion area in the product description. So we can actually say, apply the tag when the user abandons the cart with this product in the cart. This is a really valuable feature to have on your website, because if someone adds the product to their cart, goes to checkout, and leaves, that will count as an abandoned cart. And if you have their email in ActiveCampaign, WP Fusion will let ActiveCampaign know that that user abandoned the cart with this product in the cart, so that ActiveCampaign can follow up and say, hey, we saw that you left this product in the cart. Maybe we'll provide a discount in that automatic email and say, if you want to complete the order, here's a discount to do so. It's just really good data to know. And having that data inside of your CRM also allows you to track cart abandonment data. That's a problem someone brought to me recently where they said, I want to know how many people abandoned the cart and how many people purchased. And so we can take the amount of purchases of a product and we can take the statistics about how many people abandoned. And so you can divide the number of completed transactions by the total number of people who viewed the page and get that number. But you can also just get that number straight by tracking the statistic by using a tag and saying when someone abandons the cart, we're going to apply this tag in WP Fusion so that we can see it in our ActiveCampaign how many people are abandoning the cart, and then we can know what we can do to improve that if that percentage of people who are abandoning is industry average, because we'll know how many transactions were approved, how many people abandoned, and how many people total visited our page. So that's another really cool, interesting way that you can use WP Fusion, the cart abandonment add-on. The Enhanced Ecommerce Add On allows you to track like even more data related to shipping, discounts, taxes, variations, and products purchased and quantities. You can pass all of that data over into your ActiveCampaign or other supported CRMs. So if you're using sales pipeline data or setting up more complex sales pipeline structures, that data would be available to you in the Enhanced Ecommerce Add-on with WP Fusion. So that's a general overview of how WP Fusion integrates with WooCommerce, a few of the add-ons that integrate in with WP Fusion and the WooCommerce ActiveCampaign setup. And there's more ways you can integrate and more interesting things you can set up on our documentation, so be sure to check that out and let us know in the comments below if there's anything related to WooCommerce, WP Fusion, or ActiveCampaign that you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. If you want to see more content like this and further documentation on this tutorial, check out our website, wpfusion.com. You'll find all kinds of resources in addition to what we have on our YouTube channel, and we hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.